Hello everyone and welcome to another Posters Here video. And what have I got today? I've got some little push switches. These would be very cheap. Yeah, little push switches. Just zoom in and get a bit closer there for you. So they've got two terminals, as you would expect. A little washer on the ends threaded there, so you can, I assume that's to thread it through some sort of plating, and then you'd tighten that so that it sticks out of a, I don't know, a plate or whatever you've got it attached to. And then you've got the little push thing there. I don't know why I buy off this stuff. I don't really know what I can do with this, but I don't know. I suppose it's something to mess about with. Okay, next we have these, look like Ferrules or something. You basically put wires in them, put a wire in that side and put a wire in the other side, and then you crimp them closed, and it basically joins two wires together. I've got these, which are, that's pretty boring, everyday item. Crimp, I think they're called ring terminals. You put the wire in and crimp them, and then you can put that over a bolt and then nut it closed, if that's the right word. Put a nut on it and tighten the nut and close the circuit. What else have I got here? Ooh. A gold coloured resistor. So it's marked 100 watts, 8 ohms J. So 100 watts is how much power, or actually heat, can pass through it, or how much energy can pass through it, with it being in its tolerated range. 8 ohms is the resistance of the resistor, of course. It's quite an odd number, that, actually, but oh well. J is the tolerance. So 8 ohms with a tolerance of J, which I can't remember what that is, but I'll find out in a minute. Next I have these. So these arrived today, actually, I think, or was it yesterday? I think these are quite interesting. Let's just open these things. I've never used these ever before. I've seen them a lot on eBay, but I've never actually bought them. Well, let's have a look to see what it actually says about these. There's a little diagram there. 10, it says 10 there. I don't know if you can see that. Let's just zoom in a little bit more. It says 10 from there to there, so I assume that's 10 millimeters. I think it means strip 10 millimeters of sheathing off the wire. Then it says 1, pull that arm back. 2, put the wire in, and 3, put the arm down. That's interesting. And then it says 0.08 to 2.5, and then it says brackets 4 millimeters squared. Let's see how this works. Okay, so first of all I'll just strip about 10 millimeters of wire off, and the other side too. Okay, get rid of that. Then I'll just twist the ends. Okay, now just zoom out a little bit actually. Then I assume I push that in like that. Let's push that down. Wow, that's got a really good grip. Then I'll push that one in and push that one down. Wow, that's one hell of a grip. That has really well gripped the wires. Anyway, so I assumed that they're connected together on the other side. Anyway, yeah, so I got those two. Let's see if I can free it now. Yeah, there's my wire. Cool. So I got loads of those. I'll show you where I got them from in a minute. Oh yeah, there's something else that's really cool that I bought as well. I paid something stupid for these. Let's have a look at it. Look at the back anyway. Solderless breadboard, 400 tie point, 2 power lanes, 1 double strip, blah blah blah, perfect for Arduino. Let's have a look. They always put a sticky thing on the back of this, I'm not sure why. I assume maybe they think you want to stick it to the wall or something, I don't know. But these side pieces come off, and then you've got a smaller piece in the middle. You wouldn't believe how much I paid for this. It's something stupid. I think it's about £2 for all three, so that's 66p each, which is just ridiculous. I mean, if you were to go to a local and very well known electronics store in the UK, one beginning with M and ending with N, you'd probably be paying, I don't know, £4 for this? Something silly like that, £4. So I bought these for 66p or something. It's just ridiculous. Just having a bit of a play about with them as well, and you can stick them together like this, look. So we can make a monster breadboard. In fact, I've got loads more of these, so I could stick loads down to the side. But anyway, that's quite cool, isn't it? This cost me about £2 something. Okay, so the first product, 5x green Momentary on-off push button micro switch new. So I paid 99p, well that's £1.72 in total. Oh no, it's not, sorry, winning bid, so approximately £0.73. So in total I actually paid 73p for the whole lot. So that's about 12-13p each, something like that. So the seller is XYFS-US, and let's see what it says about it. There's a couple of photos. I'm not expecting it to actually say much about this product because it is only a switch, but let's see. Momentary mini push switches, bright green. No, there's not really anything of interest there, but anyway, you can see that the product costs 73p for 5, and it's from China, and there's the seller. So the next product, which I'll go through very quickly because it's quite boring, it's just these little Ferrules. They're £1.9p for 50, so that's about just over 2p each. And you put a wire in both ends and then crimp them together. Probably put a bit of heat shrink over them too. So the seller is WGD0947 and from China. The next product is 20 of these little terminal pieces here. So you put them over a bolt and then put a nut over them, and then you insert the wire into there and crimp it, or the other way around. And what did I pay for these? Let's have a quick look. I paid 79p for those, for 20, so that's pretty good. So is that about 3-4p each, something like that. And there's the seller again, WGD0947. So now we start to get a little bit more interesting. So the resistor, there's something funny about this resistor because I don't remember buying the resistor, and I've looked in the history of my eBay purchases, and I can't find this resistor anywhere. So I don't remember buying it, and I actually have no record of buying it either. So it seems that someone has just sent me this resistor. I don't know why, but anyway. So if I was to buy it, I would have bought it as cheap as possible. I'm thinking probably would have cost £1 or so. So I've just chose this this listing here. So the seller is Jade-Margin Jewelry, 8 ohm, and there's one. And let's just see if it says anything about it. Yeah, it's got sizes and a couple of uses there, and a very brief description of what it is. So 100 watts. So there's that product. The next product, I was quite excited about this product. So it says 10 PCT-212 two-way spring lever terminal block electric cable wire connector, and I paid £1.22 for this, or for these, for 10, so that's 12.1p each, and the seller is KK-318. So 10 of these. Let's have a quick look to see what it says about them. 32 amps, that's the maximum current that you can... oh no, it doesn't say maximum actually, it says current intensity, so I would have thought it probably is max. Maximum voltage 400 volts. That's quite interesting. Okay, so they're quite useful. Oh, there's a picture of some wire, single core wire put into the mechanism there. So that's quite good. And they're really useful because, you know, if you want to just hold two wires together or just twist them together or something, you can do it solidly now using this. Or I can anyway. So that's quite a good buy. And then the last item, if this is going to work, there we go. 3 pieces, mini prototype solderless self-adhesive board, 400 contact test tool. And I paid £2.23, which is around about 70p each, or something like that. So, what does it say? Terminal strip, distribution strip. It's got the sizes. What else does it say? Ah, the image. A couple of images there so you can see. And that's about all it says. So, yeah, that's a very, very good buy. So there we go. So I hope this video helped you, and as usual, thank you for watching. Bye!